When you receive the machine, firstly, you should check all the accessories. You have one accessory bag like this. Okay. You open, and you will find firstly one pedal, one power plug, one plastic bag with the fuse and the screws, and one small storage device. Our radio and user manual will put it inside. You can connect your computer to check out the information. Besides, you have other accessories like two plastic pendant, and then later you will connect it to the machine on both sides. Notice that you have to face to the floor, face to the front floor, like this. Okay. You have 4 handle piece. This one is the focused vacuum head. Second is the 40K cavitation head, and the third, this one, is the focused radio frequency head. And the last, the smaller one, is the multipolar facial radio frequency head. Now I firstly connected the two plastic pendants. Find the screws. Notice, face this triangle to the floor, then connect the base. Face this triangle to the floor, then connect the screws. You may use a special tool like this to form well. The same to another side. Face the triangle to the floor. Then connect. Tool to form well. At the back of the machine, there are 4 connections. Firstly, I try to connect this handle piece There are 6 jungle, and you need to face the rear. Like this. Okay. Go to the side, go to the right place. Second. There are 4 connection at the back of the machine with label, so you connect it with the correct place will be fine. Firstly, this publication head. Connect it with the label publication. Second is the vacuum radio frequency head. Connected with the vacuum radio frequency. The multipolar facial radio frequency head. Focus the ultrasound radio frequency head. And focus the radio frequency head. Okay, when you connect the handpiece well, next to set the pedal. Face at the correct place and connect it on. Finally, connect to your power plug. Have a check of the lock place. Make this blue button to the on. Then finally you can open the machine. Press this button. 没有电。
有电。